Here's one of the biggest paradoxes in sales. You need to get information from your clients to be able to learn about them so that you can help them. But if you simply start off a conversation firing questions at them, you're not going to get very far. If you want your scheduled calls with clients to go really, really well, you need to talk through a verbal agenda with them before you start the conversation. This will help them understand your motives for asking them questions, and they're going to be a lot more likely to be honest with you and give you the answers that you need so that you can learn about them and help them. The verbal agenda sounds something like this. Allison, I'm so glad you called. Before I walk you through a little bit about me, my process, and the type of clients that we work with at Easton University, I'd like to learn a little bit about you and what prompted you to call. Giving them this verbal agenda accomplishes a number of things. First, it shows them that I have a process and I know exactly what I'm doing. And I've had conversations so many times just like this that I know exactly how our conversation should go. Second, it puts me firmly in the driver's seat. I am already establishing an agenda. So all the client has to do is sit back and play their role. It shows them that I'm comfortable taking control. Most people don't realize this, but when you take control of the conversation, it actually allows the client to relax. They feel far less pressure on them to make the meeting go well. When you set a verbal agenda, clients will appreciate that you know what you're doing, because you will show them that you know what you're doing. And at that point, they can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Set those verbal agendas before you start any conversation with an important client, prospect, or customer. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. If you want to learn more about our sales training, there's a link to plans below. Check it out. And feel free to call our offices anytime. Our people are in a hurry to help you. You can reach us at 800-628-1456.